Welcome to a brand new video, and just going to be a short one today. We're here at Second Falls in Adelaide, and can I just say this place is absolutely majestic, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, thank you guys so much for the support on the videos that you guys have been showing. Cracking stuff is doing pretty well. There will be more cracking stuff to follow in March as I return home. I mean, just look at this place. You can get some proper, beautiful footage of whatever these insects are. Look like bees. Just here chilling by this absolutely majestic waterfall. And I mean, when I say majestic, I mean video does not do it justice. Being able to flip in such a pretty location like this, it's the stuff that dreams are made of, man. I mean, just look at it. Absolutely gushing into this little lake here. Hope you guys have been enjoying the channel. I have no clue if you can even hear me. This water is like super loud. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this absolutely beautiful location here. How have you guys' day been? Have you guys been up to anything fancy in the new year since 2024 started? I know I've been enjoying the weather out here in Australia. Shout out to all of my Australian viewers, if there are any. You know, yeah, dude, these bees, they are like properly at work. Oh, even the shadow looks so sick. Got the new Vans shoes, which I'm really, really enjoying. Nice cheeky bit of moss. Oh man. And to be honest, I don't even care that I'm doing like bite handle tricks right now. I'm just kind of fiddling around with this thing. I've learned that it is quite light, so I've got something special on the way for you guys. In terms of a travel-friendly budget flipper that will become probably my beta for something like this. I wish it had come like 3 days earlier, in which case I would have got an unboxing video out for it, and I would have been able to field test it for you guys. But yeah, this is just an absolutely surreal location. I just want to take it in with all my eyes. Because I mean, just wow. Even the greens, man, so vibrant. 30 degrees right now, Celsius. Just fantastic. What a beautiful day. Really, God was cooking when he made this place, for sure. Apparently it used to be covered in these beautiful ferns here. You can kind of see them, the remnants. People apparently have been taking them, which is interesting. But I mean, yeah, just this, I could sleep here, man. This is like perfect spot. Sunbathe, you got a little bit of shade over there if you need to cool down. Fresh water. Really tempted to try it, but also, I don't know. And it's not moving. I mean, it's not still water, so it should be more or less fine to drink. But I still don't know if I want to do that at a tourist area. Maybe it's worth a taste. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful place. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has really just been a showcase of Australia. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.